In this lecture, we will try to understand mouse listener. What is this mouse listener? Mouse events are one of the most common events we come across always. Every movement of the mouse can generate. Every movement of the mouse can generate an event. To catch the events of the mouse, Java designers provided us with two listeners. We have two listeners. What are those two listeners? First one is mouse listener, isn't it? Listener, Listener. Second one is mouse motion listener. Mouse motion listener, Listener, isn't it? Mouse listener is used. This is used to handle the events. When the mouse is stable. What's the meaning of stable? Stable in the sense not in motion. That's the meaning, isn't it? Not in motion. The mouse listener includes 5 abstract methods. An alternative to mouse listener is mouse adapter. We will try to understand these things with the help of simple Java program. Just again, here I am using applet. We know what is applet. We already discussed about applets in our previous lectures. Just these are the packages which we need, isn't it? Just I am keeping a class. My class name is size654 extends applet. I am implementing. Which one am I implementing? Mouse motion listener. We already differentiated mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Mouse listener is used to handle the events when the mouse is stable. When the mouse is not in motion, it can capture those events. But anyway, mouse motion listener also we will try to. If it is in motion, this mouse motion listener is useful. That name itself says mouse motion. If your mouse is moving, if it is in motion, this particular interface can capture the events. String MSG int x equal 0, comma y equal 0. Public void init. We know init method in our applet program. I am adding mouse listener to this particular applet. I am also adding mouse motion listener. These two listeners I am adding. Now public void mouse clicked, isn't it? If I click a mouse, this particular method can capture x equal 0, y equal 10. It will give, I am keeping a message mouse clicked. Repaint method automatically calls paint method. In paint method, what happens? It will go to paint method and it will display. Where is my paint method? I will show you in next slide, isn't it? Now, mouse entered. This is as an event x equal 0, y equal to 10. At x comma y 0 comma 10 position, I will display which message. Repaint method will call paint method. In paint method, I will keep this message. In similar manner, mouse exited. For this, I am keeping a message mouse exited, isn't it? Public void mouse pressed. Mouse event ME. I am pressing. After pressing get X, get Y, means where, in which position I am pressing, that position it will capture. Get X coordinate and get Y coordinate where I am pressing. If I pressing means what is message? Message is down, means I am down, I am keeping. Repaint method it will call as paint method. In similar manner, mouse released means up, I am saying. I am capturing it X coordinate and Y coordinate. If you observe carefully, I am keeping repaint method in all these methods. Why? Because your repaint method calls paint method and it will display the message. Public void mouse dragged, isn't it? Mouse dragged. I am capturing that positions and dragged mouse at which position? I am getting position from here, isn't it? Repaint method always calls paint method. Public void mouse moved, moving mouse at me.getX, me.getY. As I told you, what is the use of paint method? Your paint method, what will it do? It will display g.drawString x comma y. What is my x, what is y? Depending on that method, it will display that message. MSG. Just we will try to understand. We will try to demonstrate this program so that you can understand. Just see, it's output screen. Just see, mouse entered, mouse exited. Just see, mouse moving at 216 comma 182. It's capturing position. There is a method known as getX, getY. Just see, here we have getX, getY methods. With the help of getX, getY, I can get what can I get? I can get X and Y coordinate. Mouse moving at, just say this one, mouse moving at, this one, mouse moving at. Just see here, mouse moving at 216, 182, isn't it? Moving mouse at 354, 399. Why? Because it is capturing its X coordinate and Y coordinate. Mouse exited. All these are mouse listeners. Now we will try to understand this program. Let me demonstrate this program. How will it be? What is your class name? My class name is, what is this? Class space, just I kept some name, isn't it? It has got no significance. Let me see. Let me run this program once so that you can understand. Yes. What is this? JAVAC space .java, isn't it? JAVA. Again, I have to run this one. I think it is size 654.java. Let me check this file name. Where is this particular file? Yes, 1 minute. This class name is, just a minute, class SCHI 64. I think I must check where it is, in which folder it is. Maybe I think it is in different folder. I will show the demonstration in my next lecture. Let me check that program. Maybe it's I might have kept this program in different folder. Just let me check once. Yes, yes, let me check. Let me search that for that folder. I think it's not in Java 1.2. I will search and I will demonstrate in my next lecture. Just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.